This is William McClain, your South Florida real estate specialist, and today I am pleased to present to you a brand new waterfront listing, this time in the heart of Aventura at Harbor Towers, Residence 1704. Let's check it out. Residence 1704 is a beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2-bath residence on a high floor at Harbor Towers, offering 1,460 square feet of bright, open space and wide waterway views. 1704 features the most desirable south-facing exposure, which offers marina, bay, and partial ocean views. The split floor plan offers maximum privacy, and each bedroom features floor-to-ceiling windows, walk-in closets, and ensuite bathrooms. The amenities at Harbor Towers are exceptional and feature a beautiful resort-style pool deck, multiple seating areas, outdoor barbecue area, fully equipped fitness center, and tennis courts. If you're looking for exceptional views and fantastic amenities in the heart of Aventura, then Harbor Towers 1704 may be the perfect fit. For more information, click on the link in the video description below, or you can visit my website at williambmcclain.com. Thanks so much for watching.